You guys may have noticed that some of my videos look a bit more professional than others, like these for example. Well, that's because my friend Justin is a professional videographer and photographer, and every once in a while he helps me out with my videos. So I thought it was time to help him out with modifying his Audi A5. So today we're gonna hook him up with a 034 Motorsport S34 Cold Air Intake on his Audi A5. You're watching Midlife Mods. Look at this setup. I told you JP was a professional. We got we got the light bar.
Now I can see.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras set up.
03 Motorsport.
We're gonna have all of the perfect angles for this shoot. It's the stock air intake. We're gonna take that bad boy out, put the new one in. It's gonna go. Well, we got another camera here. Matt's rocking that camera. What's up, Matt?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Back at it with the man.
All right, you guys know that I am not a mechanic, but I'm facilitating this mod. Justin's buddy David is experienced wrencher. He's gonna be in here supervising this mod, make sure we do it right.
Do it proper.
The blind leading the blind.
And here is the 034 S34 air intake. It is fragile.
Fragile. It must be Italian.
Because of that carbon fiber on the intake. So we're gonna be unboxing that. We'll be unboxing that in a second. Before we install the new air intake, we're gonna get some audio of the old stock air intake so you can hear the before and after. It's gonna sound so much better after. Right now the car sucks a little bit, and after this mod is done, it's gonna suck a lot. That's our goal. We're going for that air intake noise. JP, how you feeling about this?
Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, buddy.
Hooking me up on this. This is
Yeah,
awesome.
no problem. And thank you, 034.
Thank you, 034.
This is gonna be, this mod is labeled on their website as an easy mod. I think I agree with them. This is one you can do in your garage with just a few tools. And remember, on 034's website, I'll cut to that now. The 034 Motorsport S34 carbon fiber intake is a high-performance solution for the Audi B8 and 8.5 A4, A5, and all-road with the turbocharged 2.0T EA 888.2 engine. This intake significantly enhances induction and turbocharger sounds and includes a carbon fiber heat shield to prevent hot air from entering. Its optimized open airbox design uses the factory fresh air duct to channel cool air to a large 4-inch inlet conical air filter. The system features a CFD-optimized 4-ply silicone inlet hose to maximize airflow, ensuring both performance benefits and superb fitment. Engineered with meticulous attention to detail, the S34 intake prioritizes optimal airflow around the filter, avoiding the choking common in less refined aftermarket kits. This results in an impressive 39% increase in airflow over the stock intake, providing restrictionless flow for over 650 horsepower, improved throttle response, and reduced intake air temperatures. They have all of their installation guides for these parts, step by step, with pictures and descriptions of what you need to do. We're going to be using a T25 torque for this one, socket wrench, and a basic drill. And then this S34 intake comes with an Allen key that you'll need as well. That's before. Those are the stock sounds. Meh. It's gonna sound much better in about an hour. Or Motorsport heat shield.
Look at that.
That is actually really nice.
Very beautiful.
Look how good it comes out of the mold.
Up until we're ready. Look at that intake.
That's
So bad.
That is a big filter, buddy.
That's a big daddy.
Big filter. We got some more nuts and bolts in there.
Oh, we got some more goodies.
More hardware.
All right.
So we're laying everything out on the table before we assemble it, but before we get to that, we gotta remove some of the factory hardware from the radiator cover. I think I misspoke earlier, I said T25 Torx. I think we're using a T30 Torx here to take off the radiator cover. And then you gotta remove the factory hardware from the intake duct. I believe that's the T25 Torx there. Then we're using a 7mm socket to loosen the hose clamp, connecting the MAF housing to the inlet hose. And then we're gonna pull the intake transition duct from the air box here. You're also gonna need to unplug the MAF sensor plug. You're gonna reuse these,
Yes, we're
these
gonna
mounts so
reuse
that
those.
it drops into the chassis here.
Yep, show 'em.
So those little rubber nubs are gonna be put on the new kit, and that's where it's gonna cradle. We also need to keep the mass airflow sensor here. That's what this is. This measures, for those of you that don't know, you probably know if you're watching this video, but this measures how much airflow is going into the turbo inlet, into the turbo. So we're gonna reuse this mass airflow sensor here on the S34 kit. Those are the only things you need to keep from the original hardware. Now here we go, installing all of the components of the airbox, the heat shield, the S34 intake. We're not necessarily following the step-by-step instructions in sequence as outlined by 034 Motorsport, but we're getting the job done. We're speeding it up just for the interest of time. But as I mentioned earlier, this is a pretty basic installation. This is a great looking mod, a functional mod at a great price if you want to add a little bit more music under the hood of your A5. All right, so now that the 034 air intake is assembled here on the table, we're going to bring it on over to the engine bay. We're going to take off the old air intake, whatever's remaining, and drop this bad boy in.
Here she is, boys.
On its glory.
All right, ready?
Around.
Slide that bad boy on. Ooh, what a fit. Like a glove.
Strap.
All right, that was it. I don't know what time it is, but that felt like max hour, maybe.
Maybe.
I'll tell you exactly, boys. How long? We did it in 52 minutes.
Nice. Okay, that was a 52-minute install with brakes for camera setup and commentary.
Exactly.
Nice work, David. You're pretty fast.
Thank you.
All right, check this beauty out. Look at how gorgeous that is, sitting in the engine bay.
I love that.
Massive,
034
massive
sticker
air
on there.
filter, 034 branding, front and center. Fits nicely in the engine bay. We did the before noises. We're gonna put the radiator cover back on, and then we're gonna get some after noises.
So much better. Happy customer. Happy man. Well, this would not have happened if it wasn't for my buddy Dylan, that I do a lot of video work for, which I love to do. And we're also part of the car community, Audis especially. My best friend Dave, my buddy Matt, and thank you, bro. I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it. I love it. It looks amazing and awesome.
Justin's been helping me a lot with my videos, and I thought it was time to pay him back with a 024 Motorsport part for his own Audi. It looks great. It sounds great. You're going to be enjoying those air intake noises as you're cruising down the highway.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you, and thank you 034, and thank you for
034.
watching Midlife Mods.
Oh yeah. Boom.